In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove page numbers in Google Docs. Sometimes you might not need those pesky page numbers cluttering your document, and removing them is a simple task if you know where to start. Let's dive right in and see how you can do it. First, fire up your web browser. You can use any one you prefer. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge, they all work just fine. Once your browser is open, navigate to google.com. Here you'll see the option to sign into your Google account, which you'll need to do to access Google Docs. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and click the sign in button, then enter your email address and click next. You'll be prompted to type in your password. Once you've done that, click next again. If everything checks out, you'll be signed into your Google account. Now, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a small box filled with dots. Click on that to access Google Apps, and then select Google Docs from the drop-down menu. Now that you're in Google Docs, click on Documents to find the document you want to edit. Open the document by clicking on it, and let's get rid of those page numbers. To do this, you'll want to double click the header or the footer area of any page. This action will open up the header or footer for editing. Once it's open, look for the page number. You'll see it highlighted if it's in the header or footer. Select the page number by clicking on it or dragging your cursor across it to ensure it's all highlighted. This step is crucial because it lets Google Docs know you're about to make a change. Finally, hit the delete button on your keyboard, or if you're using a Mac, the backspace key will do the trick, and just like that, the page number will vanish from the header or footer. If you have multiple pages, you'll want to repeat this step for each one to ensure all numbers are removed. Congratulations, you've successfully removed page numbers from your Google Docs document. This handy tip can make your professional documents look cleaner and less cluttered. Remember, if you ever need to add them back, you can do so by navigating to Insert in the menu bar, selecting Page Numbers, and choosing the layout you prefer. But for now, enjoy your clean, number-free document and the flexibility that comes with a streamlined workspace. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we'll tackle more Google Docs tips and tricks.